Now is recording, huh?
Yeah, sir.
Pause. Okay. Okay. Now we have the 1, 2 is completed, right? One more inter equation. Your left boundary, right boundary not presenting in the code generation log. Then what is your approach? So actually you are finding for the code generation. For example, this only assume you are click on this, but we are unable to finding for the value will be there, but we don't have any LB RB. Okay. Then what will happen is this only value is coming empty. In this left side we don't have any text, and right side we don't have any text. Assume just interview point of all. Okay. So then what is your approach? Interview will ask.
Sir, above that we have to take.
We need to how to we can do for this means. See, for example, in this line we don't have any value. Then we need to take for the above request. So for example, this is there. We can take for this is the left text, and we can take for the next line is the right boundary, and we can pass it. That is the one thing. Maybe you are unable to see the anything in from here in the boundaries. Then what is your approach means? We need to talk with the dev team. Actually, we are capturing some user section value. Actually, that is need to do correlation, but we are unable to finding for the boundaries. So could you please explain where you keep for these boundaries? Then they will give further some advice. Otherwise, they will change their code changes. And after that, we can again record. So this is 2 ways we can do for this. It's clear, everyone? So next one, maybe question will be inter question, like your correlation function is failing. So what is the issues? Anyone can explain? What are the issues? So you are unable to capture in the dynamic value, your correlation function is failing. Then what kind of maybe issues will happen? Anyone? See, boundaries will be wrong. That is the one thing, right? Maybe if you are given left boundary and your right boundary, anything is wrong, you are unable to capture the dynamic value. You are getting for the no match found error. That is one thing. And one more thing.
Function,
maybe
if you write wrong function.
Yes, that is one thing. Yes. Example, we are writing for the user section here, but you are written here. Then what will happen? It will capture? No, right? That is also one of the issue. And one more issue. Anyone? Maybe you are given any syntax error in the web break save param function.
Yes, sir.
That is also issue, right? You are unable to capture in means any syntax error also will get. Like syntax error means a double colon, or you miss, or otherwise you miss comma, otherwise you miss something. So that is also one of the issues. So this is the way you can explain. So these all questions will be inter questions for the correlation concept. Like what is the correlation? So how many ways we can do correlation, and what are there, and auto correlation, manual correlation. What is the auto correlation process? What is the manual correlation process? And what are the functions in our correlation? In manual correlation functions, what auto correlation functions, and what are the arguments in that function? And what is the correlation arguments like LB, RB, and save length, save offset? What is the save length? What is save offset? What is the ordinal? What is the not found? What is the search? What is the scope? So this all will be inter questions. And what are the functions we are using? Like WebBreak separum, WebBreak separum EX, and WebBreak separum reg EX. What is the difference? These three. WebBreak separum nothing but it's a manual correlation function. Only we need to give for the like LB, RB, and parameter name, and we can pass save and say offset. WebBreak separum EX nothing but in the parameter name place we are giving for the param is equal to, we are giving pass the name, and after that like LB, RB same, and we are get for the search is for the WebBreak separum, but in WebBreak separum EX we will get for the scope is equal to body. And reg exp means sometimes we don't have RB also, we can do for the regular expression. As same to we have the some special characters will be there. We want to capture the dynamic value, then we can use for the reg exp. And after that, next question. I given for the left boundary, right boundary empty, and my correlation values I'm getting for the no match found error, and your parameter name is cross for the more than 256 bytes you got. So we need to write for the above of the script website maximum function, and we need to assign for the number of bytes. And next question.
Sir, we can assign more than 1024 bytes, sir.
Yeah, we can maximum we can give for the 6 nines. Okay.
How much, sir? 6
nines.
Okay, right. Now you told
Swami,
us.
Rig XP you have to apply the ordinals.
No.
No?
No, it will not support. Okay. So
And sir,
sir,
one doubt, sir. Web is reg save param X we are using for autocorrelation, no, sir.
So you can do for manual also, no problem. See, for example, I'm doing for the user section point of view. I'm going to the view and step toolbox, and you can observe your web break say for EX also will be there. You can click on here, and it will ask for the parameter name. I'm giving for the user session, and after that boundaries you can pass. Okay, and after that double colon this one. And after that, if you want ordinal or anything, if you want to save length, you can give and click on OK.
Okay.
So we are doing for this is a way, it's a manual correlation, right? We did now.
Yes.
Because
yes, sir,
yourself
yes.
you are entered LB, RB, and everything you are entered for the parameter name, everything. This automatically only to afford to manual point of view, we are doing for this is way also we can do for the manual correlation. Apart from the web break separum, you can use for the web break separum EX also.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we are in questions, right? So what is the if it is don't have LB RB, say what is your approach? And if a correlation value is failing, what is your approach? So these kind of all interview questions will ask for the correlation point of view. Everyone is clear?
LB, so
Yes.
some situations RB, LB and RB same vastaya.
Same, it will not come, right? Same how it will come, because some user section means user section value is equal to it will come. Some token means token value is equal to come. Some destination means destination some value is equal to it will show. But RB will be different, right?
Okay.
So everyone is good for this correlation concept. Yes or no? So now,
Yes, sir. We'll practice, sir.
Yeah, you guys can practice. Then you are good for that also. Now, just what I can do means now. Actually, I'm not done any correlation. Maybe what will happen? We need to explain now. See, because you are not done correlation, but this page your validation. See, for example, what will happen? You can go to the application. We are going to the application, web tour application. Okay, I'm click this one. So I click on this and I went for the which page? Launch page. But when you are doing for the scripting, you are exactly going or not, you know, just your script is passing, but exactly you are going that page or not, you know, we don't know, right? And after
Yes,
that,
sir.
you are logging, maybe you are logging, and after that, you are giving for the bean, and you are click on the login button. You are going here, you are going to the, after that login, you are going to the flight page. But when you are executing here, I don't know, you are doing for the execution, you can observe, I'm not done anything, just I'm executing. See, your script will be passed, but I don't know exactly this launch and login and everything is we are pass or not, I don't know. So that is point of what we need to do means we need to do for the some validation for the each and every page. So each and every transaction we need to give for the some validation. So how do we can give means, see for example, you are giving for the login assume. So we have the two functions will be validation checkpoints will be there, text verification point and image verification point. So what is the function we are using for the text verification point? Web underscore reg underscore find, and after that, so argument nothing but in double colon and comma, and so in this here we can give for the text is equal, okay, and after that last and close. So here text is equal to will be there. So here which text we can take? So you are doing for the login part. So you can go here, means you are after that this login, like you are giving username and password, you are clicking this page, means you are entering for this page. Means you went this page or not, you how do you know? Means you need to take for the in this page any one of the static test. Static test nothing but it's a doesn't change page. For example, Jojo will be there. If you take this, this is a static. This is static test, Jojo.
Yeah.
How? It's not static, right? That is the dynamic. Maybe I will give for the my name. I will log in with Kiran. Then it will come for the welcome Kiran. So that is static? No, that is the dynamic. So that is why in this page you can take for the any one of the static test. See this welcome will be there. So every time this welcome will be common. So that is why you can take for the any one of the static test. Just I'm taking this text welcome. And you can pause for that here. And just you can execute now. Your script pass or fail, you can observe. See, your script pass or fail.
Fail.
So why? Because it's failed means you can observe text is equal welcome not found for the this web break find. Means you are not doing for the login successfully. You are not doing for
already
the
we are
login.
done, no? Sir. Already we login done, no, sir. You already logged in, no?
Yes, you done login, but you are not going to the next page. This page you are not going. If you went to this page, definitely the welcome will be there, right?
Yes.
But you are not going to the success page. So that is why you are getting error. Because what will happen? Why it is you are not going to the valid page means here you can observe this is the dynamic value. You are not done correlation. Okay. This value is every time is changing. If you not done correlation, that is why this script is failing. If you execute any number of times, it will fail on. See, immediately it is fail. So now we'll done for the correlation. Then our script will pass or not. We can observe.
Sir, if we remove that webrig find function, then our script will pass, no, sir?
It will pass, but it is not. It's not. We are going to the valid page. So just
but that application will not work.
showing for
only
the
our
script
will
pass. Yeah, tool only it is showing script pass, but you are not going to the valid page.
In real time, it will not work application.
Yes. So now we need to give for the one more thing, and we can observe here in double colon only. I am giving for the some save count is equal like save count equal to. So save count nothing but so which value you are like is this welcome? How many times it will be there? It will count. Like for this particular page, how many times it will be there? If you went really this page, then welcome is equal to 1 time will be there. It will show for the save count is equal to 1. Maybe it is not there. Save count is equal to 0. It will come. Now you can observe save count is equal to I'm giving for the this login, right? Just I'm giving login. Just you can give for the that is fine. Anything is fine. And we can now you can execute. Now your script will be pass or fail. You can observe. See, it is showing script pass, but you can observe in the output window. So don't consider above is pass. You can observe saving parameter login is equal to 0 or 1. 0 means you are not going to the next page. The welcome text is unable to finding. See, text is equal to welcome. See, it is a registering web break find function successfully, but text is equal to welcome. The login is equal to 0. Means the welcome is not there in that particular page. Means you are not successfully logging. Why? Because means you are not done for the correlation, because that is coming from the server side. Every time is changing. You are not done correlation. That is why it is failing. See, if I done this correlation, you can observe. I'm doing for the auto correlation quick point of view. Okay. Details, and I'm selecting for the boundary base and correlate button, and you can close it. See, I did correlation. See, now you can observe I replaced it, also done. Now I will execute, and you can observe the thing. So now you can come to the starting, and you can observe login is started, and you can observe login is equal to 2K. Means the welcome in that page 2 times will be there. So if it is more than 1, then your script will be, you went for the success page. So you can observe here also, registered web breakpoint successfully. Test is called welcome. The count will be 2. Everyone see?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.
So
And welcome 2
not
times.
done correlation, what will happen? You know, now everyone understand?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is only server
And the
side
tools.
values only. It will be, you are not getting for the valid page. But so that is why each and every page you need to keep for this breakpoint function. Each and every
Sir,
page.
login 2 means 2 times logged in, sir.
No, just this is a given parameter name. As a save count, it is saving in the login is equal to how many times it will be there. This text it will just give for the login is equal 0 or 1 or 2. It will give. Okay.
సార్ రియల్ టైమ్ లో మనం ఎందుకు చేయాలి సార్ ఇది వెబ్ రిచ్ ఫైండ్ ఫంక్షన్?
See, for example, now you are not given web break find. Okay. So you are done scripting. Your team lead asked to, okay, like you are done for the scripting, you will ask, okay, I done. But you are going to the valid page, you will ask. Valid page nothing but after login, actually you need to come here. But what will happen? You are not done the correlation. You are giving for the username password and you are clicking login. So some user section value is generating, that value is every time changing. So that is why you are in this page every time. So in this page you don't have welcome text. So that is why you are not getting for the you are not validating that page. So once you can successfully done for that one, right, correlation, and you are able to go to this page. Sorry, I think Jojo. Okay, Joe, please. See, now you
Narayana,
get this
please
page,
mute.
and we are able to see welcome will there. Means you exactly. So this is very important scripting point of view. Definitely you need to give for the web breakpoint function for each and every page. Each and every page, because we are getting valid page or not. If you want need to know, means definitely you need to give for the web breakpoint function. So this is the simple script. Actually this is only for 100 lines code, right? Everywhere you can write is possible to manually is possible. Maybe you are writing for the 1,000 or 10,000 lines of code will be there. So everywhere you can go to, and every request above you need to write for the web breakpoint is a very difficult thing, right? So that point of view, what we need to do is before recording the script, you can go to the recording options, you can click on this. So here we have the recording and protocol and code generation configuration in advance. We can observe here generate web break function as the page titles. If you click on this, what will happen, right? Automatically it will every page it is a display for the web break find function. Every page. So I will show that also if you want. Maybe I can do for that just regenerate I will did. and we are able to do or not, I can check.
Sir, this web find for every script we have to write only once, no, sir? On
Yeah,
the top?
every script we need to write for the every page once. See, just I done, and after that regenerating. So just you can observe, I am regenerating. So once before script you can record for that, means you need to enable that checkpoint, web break find, that one. See now I think auto say regeneration is happen. See now you can observe each and every page web break find is came. See web break find text also automatic speak. No need to go to the each and every page. Don't take for the static test because everything is came. See this is the launch page, and after launch this is the login page, and after that this is the search flight button, and after that you can observe this is for the reservation flight selections. So this is the reservation page, this validation point step, and after that you can observe this reservation page, this is one more thing, and after that payment section reservation made one some different. So means automatically speaking, no need to write manually, because see everywhere it is automatically picking. So because why it is automatically speaking means you can observe here when you are uncheck this, right, generate web break functions as a page title. So what are the page titles will be there, that is coming from the text. Got it everyone?
Yes, sir.
సార్ మనం ఏ పేజ్ అయితే సెర్చ్ చేస్తున్నామో ఆ పేజ్ మనకి అది అక్కడ వాల్యూ ఉందో లేదో చూపిస్తుంది.
Yes,
Right,
yes. So you are going exactly page or not, we don't know. So actually you are doing scripting without this, what will happen means you are going to the exactly page or not, we don't know. So exactly page you are going means this function will be passed, then only. See now we did right, you can execute, just your script will be failed because the text is not there for the login page, because you are not done for the correlation for the that. See text is equal web to not found for the launch login page. So you can observe here, we can click on this, see here error we are getting here because you are not done for this correlation. Got it everyone?
Yes, sir.
So same2 we can write for the one more thing like a double colon, like already I told, right, and comma save count. Save count is equal. So save count is equal, you can give anything is fine. You can give for the Kiran also fine, because that is only just name, parameter name. It is counting from the text is equal web tour, how many times it will there, it will save in this parameter name. So I given save count is equal to Kiran, and after that so we'll do for the auto correlation this, because your script will be failed.
Sir, if in that, if Kiran is not there, it will show 0, sir.
Not Kiran. See, don't find for the Kiran. Actually, what web tour is not there, it will throw error. Or Kiran is equal to 0, it will show, because the text is one time also not there, it will show 0. It is that the text is there,
Okay.
Kiran is equal to 1 or 2, it will come.
Okay.
So SM2 I want for the some condition also, like anyone have that condition? I think previous team. Checkpoint condition, anyone have? Srinivas.
No, sir.
Checkpoint condition, sir.
Yeah. I think I open new system, right? I think I don't have. What is that test? Okay,
That image you have given, no, sir, image.
Make sure OneDrive address is running in PC, then try again.
So what is the checkpoint, sir?
Anyone have?
No, sir.
Ashwani, Narayana.
నాకు సిస్టమ్ ఓఎస్ వేయించేస్తాను.
Sir, what is the checkpoint, sir?
Checkpoint nothing but it's a validation point. Each and every page we need to validation point up we are using for the that is the text checkpoint. And the same too, we have the one more also will be there, image checkpoint also will be there. Web underscore image underscore check. And after that you can give for the just give for the double colon parameter name and comma, and we need to give for the in the double colons only we can give comma last. So this is for the image point of view, like you are doing image, right? I am giving for the parameter